Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series. Let's continue this medical tourism website with WordPress and Elementor based builder. We have designed home page, and blog page, and contact us page. As I have mentioned before again and again, once we are done with the initial setup, the home page, it is easier to design other pages. So once again, let's design the service pages and service providers in this video. And most of these sections we will copy from the home page for service providers. We will copy this section, paste it here, and let's remove this widget. Okay, and let's change the section setting to box, and here post multi-slider. Okay, and instead of post, use service providers. Okay, that's it. Okay, and let's copy this call to action section, okay, like this, and we are done with the service provider page. And so quite easy. Once again, for the services, edit this, edit with elementor, okay, copy this, paste it here, and remove this widget, and let's use post multi-slider. Instead of post, use services post tab. Okay, that's it. And copy this, paste it here, and we are done. That's it. Yeah, to make this color difference, you can change the background color, make it white like this. Okay, and last part is why India, or this is about us. Why India? Edit page, edit with elementor, copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it. Okay, here we can sense here. Let's add okay, quick. Next is this section. Next this section. Okay, let's copy these two. Okay, like this. Here something I want to sense. Okay. You can really have some pieces by the past booking. Here sense content black 20. And here fast booking certified healthcare care services. Copy this, paste style. Okay, something like that. Okay, update it, and that's it. The only regrettable on this video series is that we do not have the option for online booking, the WooCommerce or e-commerce part. Yeah, that's my mistake. I'm sorry about it. Yeah, I totally miss about it. Okay, if you have any video requests, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and please also mention about the requirement of the website. For example, this medical tourism also one of the video requests requested by my viewers, my subscribers, and not just the type of website you want. You also mention the requirements, what type of website, what are the contents you want, and do you have any templates that we can replicate, we can refer, so that if you input, if you have any more inputs or requirements, so that I can make a video to meet your needs or meet the need of your clients. I hope you like this video. I hope you have helpful. Most of the later part of these videos are repetitive. Most of the useful ones are from first video initial setup to the home page. Once we are done with the home page, others are quite easy. You just have to use the sections that you have done and add some appropriate for each page of the website. Designing a company website is quite easy, but frequently updated websites like a school website, college website, it is quite complicated. It has a lot of components. For example, a school website, it has components of teachers, students, parents, examination, emission, exam results, online test, and online classroom. It is okay to design such website with WordPress and Elementor, but it has a lot of modules and components. School website is quite complicated. If it is a website only for displaying latest information, few PDF files to download for information, only one way information, it is quite easy. But if it has a user sign in option, sign up option, teacher sign in, and if it has user system, then it is quite complicated. It requires lots of extra plugins. So yeah, if you mention the requirement, I will try to meet your requirements. So please don't hesitate to leave your comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I hope you like it. Please support me. If you have any doubts, contact me. Okay, see you in the next video.